Salesforce Space Station.
Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to create a custom object tabs in Salesforce. Custom object tab helps you to give your users access to custom object data and records in an app. So it functions like a standard tabs in Salesforce. Alright, so let's begin. Let's go to setup. So from the quick find, just type in tabs. Click tabs. So you can create a new custom tab by clicking the new button. Alright, so in here you can select the custom object to appear in the custom tab. So if you haven't created the custom object, you have to create it first before creating a custom object tab. So the label of the new tab is the same as the plural version of the custom object label. So in here, I'm gonna select project. And then you have to click the tab style lookup icon. It's right here. Click on that to show the tab style selector. So you can also click the hide styles which are used on other tabs so that you can only see the available tab styles that are not used in your Salesforce organization. So I'm going to select the castle icon, and then I'll now go ahead and click next. So I'm going to make this visible to all profiles, then click next. And then in here, you can also specify the custom apps that should include the new tab. All right. So I'm not gonna change this one. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm just gonna click on save. All right. So the tab will be visible to all users based on the visibility settings that you've selected. So it should be available right away. Okay, so I'll now go to, let's try to check the services. So it should be right here. So it's now available in your Salesforce navigation. All right, so that's how you create custom tabs in Salesforce. I hope you enjoy this content. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.